Hey, what's up, y'all? It's NYC Unboxing Guy here with another video. See, now I'm about to unbox the Galaxy S10 Plus and basically review it for you guys. See, now I've had this phone for about maybe 3, 4 months now, and it's awesome. It's probably the best phone I've ever had. And I'm gonna go over those reasons why I feel that way and basically show y'all what comes in the box and everything. Okay, so the Galaxy S10 Plus has a Snapdragon octa-core 2.8 gigahertz processor and four 1.8 gigahertz processors, which add up to a whole bunch of power. Basically, the phone is very fast, it's snappy, there's no lag on anything I've ever done with it. When I multitask with it, it's great. So basically here we have the little booklets that comes with it, the instructions and the start guide. Yeah, and these are basically just paper wastes because nobody really looks or reads, nobody looks at those or reads those. So basically, it's just a little garbage for your, it's a little garbage for your trash can. So basically within this black box here is just some more paperwork and the little key that opens up the memory card slot, to basically get inside of that slot that you need to get into. Yeah, there's the key there to get into to open up the SIM card tray. And here we have it, the Galaxy S10 Plus in all its glory. It's a beautiful phone. It feels really good in the hand. It has a good weight to it. It has a good feel to it. It's about 175 grams or about 6.2 ounces. And it, basically it feels very slim. Like the form factor is very good. It's the best feeling phone I've ever felt, if that makes any sense. Yeah, so here we have the wire for the charger. So it also comes with that. So you get the wire, you get the fast charger, in box. And you also get a pair of AKG headphones, wired headphones, which aren't bad, but nobody really uses wired headphones as much, but I do keep them as a backup in my book bag as a just in case I just so happen to forget my headphones or my AirPods. But they're pretty strong. They have rope like texture or quality to them, so they're pretty good. They're sturdy and they're pretty loud. So those are pretty decent headphones that come with it. Okay, and also have the backup, the little cushions that go on the tips of the earphones, the different sizes for different ears. And then here we have the micro USB connector, which turns it USB to Type C. And of course the fast charger, the brick for the fast charger, so you can get your phone charged up. Okay, and here we have the phone itself, which, like I said before, feels very good in the hand. It's kind of tall, so my only complaint is the placement of the power button. But that's not a big issue for me. If the phone can perform, and do other things that makes me not think about that button placement, then it's all fine. Okay, so here now we're just getting ready, starting the phone up. So getting ready to enter in my information to get the phone started. And it's the basic intro. When you turn these phones on, you usually have to go through the process of getting them set up and started. But while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna mention that I have used the phone now after this for some time, and I have not one single complaint. This phone has basically become the main piece to all of my things in my house. It has become my remote control. It has become my game system because I also have plenty of emulators on there, and I connected to the TV via the Google Chromecast, and I even brought a projector as well so that I could do things on a screen in at work or in various situations. Okay, so now I'm just basically waiting for the phone screen to come on and just giving you guys a look at the back of the phone, which is all glass, and it has a very smooth glossy finish to it, which I enjoy in the hand and also to look at. Also, the phone has 3 cameras on the back and 2 on the front. And the wide angle, I should mention, is one of the main reasons why I bought this phone. Okay, so this is NYC Unboxing Guy signing out. Peace.